Hello everyone, welcome to GK Babaji YouTube channel. In this video, we have covered a very important current affairs topic. The topic is Companies and CEOs 2021. Friends, you must be aware that in many competitive exams, you get at least one or two questions based on this topic. Thus, I strongly recommend that you watch this video attentively in order to secure those precious marks. So let's get started. Question 1. Who is the chairman of Reliance Industries Limited? The correct answer is Mukesh Ambani. Quick facts about Reliance Industries Limited. Its major businesses are petrochemicals, textiles, retail, and telecommunications. It was founded in year 1973 and its headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Question 2. Jeff Bezos is the founder, president, CEO and chairman of which company? Here are the options. The correct answer is Amazon. Quick facts about Amazon. Its main businesses are e-commerce, digital streaming and artificial intelligence. It was founded in year 1994. Its headquarters is located in Seattle, USA. Question 3. Which of the following pair of company and CEO is correct? The answer is Infosys, Salil Parekh. Salil Parekh is the CEO of Infosys. Quick facts about Infosys. Its major businesses are IT services and IT consulting. It was founded in year 1981 and its headquarters is located in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Question 4. Who is the chairman and CEO of Coca-Cola Company? The correct answer is James Quincey. Quick facts about Coca-Cola Company. Its main business is beverage. It was founded in year 1892 and the headquarters is located in Atlanta, USA. Question 5. Balkrishna is the chairman of which company? The answer is Patanjali Ayurved. Quick facts about Patanjali Ayurved. Its main businesses are consumer goods and healthcare. It was founded in year 2006 and the headquarters is located in Haridwar, Uttarakhand. Question 6. Which of the following pair of company and CEO is correct? The answer is Google, Sundar Pichai. Quick facts about Google. Its main businesses are online advertising technologies, search engine, cloud computing, software and hardware. It was founded in year 1998 and the headquarters is located in California, USA. Question 7. Who is the MD and CEO of Larsen & Toubro Limited? The answer is S.N. Subramanian. Quick facts about Larsen & Toubro Limited. Its main businesses are basic and heavy engineering, construction, manufacturing of capital goods, information technology and financial services. It was founded in year 1938. Its headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Question 8. Reed Hastings and Ted Sarandos are the co-CEOs of which company? The answer is Netflix. Quick facts about Netflix. Its main business is it is a over-the-top content platform and a production company. It was founded in year 1997 and the headquarters is located in California, USA. Question 9. Which of the following pair of company and chairman is correct? The answer is Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, Anand Mahindra. Quick facts about Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Its main business is vehicle manufacturing. It was founded in year 1945 and the headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Question 10. Who is the CEO of Facebook? The answer is Mark Zuckerberg. Quick facts about Facebook. Its main businesses is social media and advertising. It was founded in year 2004 and the headquarters is located in California, USA. Question 11. Who is the chairman of Bharti Airtel Limited? The correct answer is Sunil Bharti Mittal. Quick facts about Bharti Airtel Limited. Its main business is telecommunications, founded in year 1995, and the headquarters is located in New Delhi. Question 12. Which of the following pair of company and CEO is correct? The answer is PepsiCo Raymond Laguarta. The main business of PepsiCo is beverage and food processing. It was founded in year 1920 and the headquarters is located in New York, United States. Question 13. Who is the chairman of Maruti Suzuki? The answer is R.C. Bhargava. Quick facts about Maruti Suzuki. Its main business is automobiles. It was founded in year 1981 and the headquarters is located in New Delhi. Question 14. Who is the CEO of Tesla? The correct answer is Elon Musk. Quick facts about Tesla. Its main businesses are electric vehicle and clean energy. It was founded in year 2003 and the headquarters is located in California, United States. Question 15. Which of the following pair of company and CEO is correct? The answer is Paytm Varun Sridhar. Quick facts about Paytm. Its main businesses are finance and e-commerce. It was founded in year 2010 and the headquarters is located in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Question 16. Who is the CEO of Uber? The correct answer is Dara Khosrow Shahi. Quick facts about Uber. Its main business is transportation. It was founded in year 2009 and the headquarters is located in California, USA. Next question. Sanjeev Puri is the chairman of which company? The correct answer is ITC Limited. Quick facts about ITC Limited. Its main businesses are cigarettes, FMCG, hotels, packaging, paper boards and specialty papers and agribusiness. Founded in year 1910 and the headquarters is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. Question 18. Which of the following pair of company and CEO is correct? The answer is Microsoft Satya Nadella. Quick facts about Microsoft. Its main businesses are computer software, consumer electronics, personal computers and related services. It was founded in year 1975 and the headquarters is located in Washington, USA. Next question. Who is the chairman of Adani Group? The correct answer is Gautam Adani. Quick facts about Adani Group. Its main businesses are energy, resources, logistics, agribusiness, real estate, financial services, defense and aerospace. It was founded in year 1988 and the headquarters is located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Question 20. Jack Dorsey is the CEO of which company? The answer is Twitter. Quick facts about Twitter. It is a social networking site. It was founded in year 2006 and the headquarters is located in California, USA. Question 21. Which of the following pair of company and chairman is correct? The correct answer is Tata Group Natarajan Chandrasekaran. Quick facts about Tata Group. The main businesses are software services, consumer goods, chemicals, power, etc. It is, in a nutshell, it is a conglomerate. It was founded in year 1868 and the headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Question 22. Who is the CEO of Boeing? The answer is Dave Calhoun. Quick facts about Boeing. Its main businesses are aerospace and defense. It was founded in year 1916 and the headquarters is located in Chicago, USA. Question 23. Sanjeev Mehta is the CEO of which company? The answer is Hindustan Unilever Limited. Quick facts about Hindustan Unilever Limited. Its main business is consumer goods. It was founded in year 1933 and the headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Question 24. Which of the following pair of company and chairman is correct? Correct answer is Zara, Amancio Ortega. Quick facts about Zara. Its main business is apparels. It was founded in 1975 and headquarters is located in A Coruña, Spain. Question 25. Who is the CEO of Sun Pharmaceuticals? The answer is Dilip Sangvi. Quick facts about Sun Pharmaceuticals. It is a pharmaceutical company founded in year 1983 and its headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Question 26. Tim Cook is the CEO of which company? The answer is Apple. Quick facts about Apple. Its main businesses are consumer electronics and computer software. It was founded in year 1976 and the headquarters is located in California, USA. Question 27. Which of the following pair of company and chairman is correct? The answer is Life Insurance Corporation of India, M.R. Kumar. Quick facts about LIC. It is into insurance business. It was founded in year 1956 and the headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Question 28. Who is the CEO of Nestle? The correct answer is Ulf Mark Schneider. Quick facts about Nestle. It is into food processing industry. It was founded in year 1866 and its headquarters is located in Switzerland. Question 29. Nusli Wadia is the chairman of which company? The correct answer is Britannia Industries. Quick facts about Britannia Industries. It is into food processing industry. It was founded in year 1892 and the headquarters is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. Question 30. This will be the last question. Which of the following pair of company and CEO is correct? Here are the options. The correct answer is Flipkart, Kalyan Krishnamurthy. Quick facts about Flipkart. It is into e-commerce business. It was founded in year 2007 and its headquarters is located in Bengaluru, Karnataka. That's it, friends. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. You may even share it with your friends who are preparing for competitive exams. Please subscribe to our channel GK Babaji. Thank you. Have a good day.